Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the exit door from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the door with a large rectangle. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another rectangle for the border. And then one more rectangle inside, close to it, like this. Now that we have the shape of the door, let's move in and draw the exit sign. At the top, let's draw a sideways rectangle. And then another rectangle inside. Now inside on the left, let's draw a line across. And then bring it down on the right. And the same thing on the left. Now let's move in and let's draw another line across at the top. And then bring it down on the right side. We'll start with the circle on the top right for the head. And then two curves down on the right side. Then for the other arm, let's draw two curves going over to the left in the opposite way. And close off the end. Now let's draw two angles down. And then curve it down, like this, for the first leg. And then a line across the bottom. Now for the other leg, we'll start under the body and let's draw two curves down and over to the left side. And that's it for the man. Now let's finish drawing the door frame. Let's draw a line down on the left side and then continue it below the leg. And then close off the bottom of the left and the right side. Now let's move over to the right and let's draw the word exit. And now underneath, let's draw the arrow. We'll start with a line down on the left, and then two lines over from the top and bottom. Now a small line up and down, and then two angles coming to a point. And that's it for the exit sign. Lastly, let's move down and draw the door handle. On the right side here, let's draw a rectangle. Then for the end, let's draw a line up and down, and then another vertical line next to it on the right. And now let's close off the top and the bottom with a curve. And that's it for the exit door. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!